Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Verymiss makeup combo, the best makeup kit for women and girls that's a 3-piece vegan gift set designed for easy application and light skin tones. This cruelty-free pack is all about simple yet stunning glam, so let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the packaging. It's sleek and cute, perfect for gifting or keeping your essentials organized. Inside we've got 3 products, starting with the star of the show, a lightweight foundation in a light tone. I applied it with my fingers and wow, it blends so smoothly, giving me a natural, even finish that's not heavy at all. Ideal for everyday wear. It's got a soft matte look that covers light redness without feeling like a mask, and it's vegan, which I love, knowing it's good for my skin and the planet. Next up, the lip color. It's a creamy lipstick in a subtle rosy shade that's super wearable. I swiped it on and it feels hydrating, not sticky, with a nice pop of color that lasts through coffee and chats. Perfect for a quick touch of glam. Finally, the mascara. This little tube is a game changer with a sleek wand that coats every lash. I did 2 coats and my lashes looked longer and fuller without clumping, plus it's smudge proof, which is a must for all day wear. This combo is all about ease. The products are beginner friendly and travel sized, so you can toss them in your bag for on-the-go beauty. The light tone suits my fair skin perfectly, but it's subtle enough to work for a range of shades. It's not high-end, the foundation could have a bit more coverage, but for a vegan affordable set, it's a total win. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this Verymiss set or what vegan makeup you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.